The Honest Truth, Chapter 1.5. Her voice was shaky, like the last leaf in a tree, trying to hold on. "Jessie, honey, is Mark over there? Is Mark with you?" Jessica Rodriguez shook her head into the phone. No, I haven't seen him since school. What's the matter?" "Oh," Mark's mom said, trying to laugh. Her laugh sounded more like a choke. "It's nothing, I'm sure. I was just surprised he wasn't home, is all. And the house was so dark." Her voice trailed off. "Beau is gone, too. Let me know if he shows up there, would you?" Mark never showed up. The police don't usually come running when a kid's only been missing a couple hours. But when his mom told them about Mark, about his story, they started listening a little more seriously. When they heard what the doctors had said, they listened real seriously. When they found the note he had left, they were completely serious. So, a little after 7 o'clock, 2 police officers raced into the parking lot by the bus station and train platform. They didn't have any real reason to think he'd gone there, except that it looked like he was running away. And the only 2 ways for a kid to run away from Wenatchee were on the bus or the train. One of the cops jumped out of his cruiser and ran to the bus waiting there, a bus heading south to Oregon. He scanned the bodies in the seats, looking for a kid traveling alone. A skinny kid, with pale skin. A kid wearing a hat. He didn't see one. The other cop ran to the little window of the bus station and knocked on the glass. Behind the glass was a bored-looking man reading a magazine. He looked a little less bored when he saw it was a cop knocking. The cop asked some questions, quick and sharp. The man licked his lips, scratched his chin, gave some answers. The cop nodded and walked back toward his cruiser, where he met his partner coming back from the bus. He opened his door and reached for the radio. "Got him," the cop said. "He's on the bus to Spokane, wearing a red hat."